Alright, today I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. Alright, so as you can see, this lightsaber right over here is green. Background's green. You're like, what the heck? What do I do with this? It's useless. Not really. So if you go here, you just copy my settings up here on the chroma key here. Low threshold 0.184 and all the way high threshold so you can get rid of all that excess color like you saw there. Color corrector. What do I do with the color corrector, you may ask? Well, you can change the color of the lightsaber. Did I pique your interest? I bet I did. Alright, there we go. Go to your mids. I believe it's your mids. Yep, there you go. You want baby blue lightsaber? There you go. You want a red lightsaber? There you go. Kinda have to be careful with this kind of thing though, because, you know, the arm of the Darth Vader, you know, might turn colors too. But then again, it's glowing, so I don't know. Okay, let's say, I'm gonna pick my favorite color right here. My favorite color is blue. Okay, let's go with darker blue over here. And then you can change your saturation, gain, and stuff like that. What is gain, you're probably asking? It's the amount of light coming from the lightsaber, or from the source light. So maybe like that. Saturation, how colorful you want the image to be, in this case the video. See how that looks like. Preview auto, because, you know, my computer is fantastic. Not too bad, right? I mean, you could color correct it further, but, you know, it's a bunch of little changes you could do to make it more better looking. Let me see if I can do that. Be just darker, more saturated. Yeah, there we go. Just gonna make sure this the lightsaber is just different color than the arm. So let's smush that again. Oh, there was lag. Let me just go frame by frame then. There you go. Looks pretty cool, right? You know how to change the color and key out the green. So there you go. If you guys want more of these tutorials, feel free to comment on any of the green screen videos and I'll make sure to make a tutorial about it. Star Wars, underwater, goddamn fighting Atlantis. Alright, there you go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Stay awesome, stay amazing, and I'll catch you guys later.